Hello, on today's video I'm going to show you how to step by step how to customize the font on Canva and make it unique to your own, and also apply the same style to each letter while changing the color. Go to far left, create a design, and by the way we're going to remake this but similar. Go to the far left, create a design, left click. Let's make a thumbnail for YouTube. Left click. We need to look for an app called Type Craft. So we need to go to the app to the far left, left click, Type Craft. There it is. Left click on the app. We're just going to make it very simple. Write the name John. My name's Jonathan, but we'll make it simple. We'll call it John. So do one letter at a time. J. We'll keep the same font for what it is. I'll keep the same style. Scroll down and you'll see it's made this funny looking shape. That's fine. Let's change the color. Left click inside the color. Let's make it blue. And as you can see, it's changed blue. We will drag these up a little bit one by one. And as you can see, it's slowly moving the shape back to a J. This is not going to be perfect, but you can see what I'm doing. That's something that looks like a J. It's nothing perfect, but it's similarities. Yeah? Add element to design. And as you can see, we've taken this font, this color, made this J. Let's pull this to the far left. Hold left button on your mouse, drag and far left. Now we're going to make the letter O by using the same style we've made using a J. So left click, Control C, Control V using your keyboard. Drag it away. As you can see, it's identical. Go back into your bar, drag yourself up. Now change the letter O. Scroll down, and as you can see, the letter's O. Using the same style. Let's give it a different color. Let's give it, let's say, pink color, nice and bright. Scroll down, very important, update element. Let's give it the letter N. So left click out, left click back onto the O, Control C, Control V on your keyboard. Go back over to Type Craft, scroll up using left click button, holding down, delete the O and press the letter N. As you scroll down just again, it is used the same style. Let's change the color to, let's say, yellow. And as you can guess, that's right, you update the element. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, give it a like, give me a sub. I've got many more videos to come using Canva.